How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly create a business email with Bluehost and connect it to your Gmail account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So if you guys want to learn more about that, be sure to check out that link as it greatly supports the channel. And yeah, now back to the video. So to actually do this is quite simple. And what you guys would need to do is you want to make sure that your Bluehost account is logged in as well as your Gmail account. So once you guys are here and you've logged into Gmail, you want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. Now, once you click on this, there will be a drop down with a bunch of different options to choose from. And from here, you want to click on See All Settings. And once you click that, it should take you to this little page right here where you want to go to Accounts and Import. Now, once you guys find yourselves here, you want to click on Add a Mail Account, as you can see here. So just click on this. And so this little new window will pop up. Actually, let me maximize this real quick. So from here on out, you basically just want to follow the on-screen instructions as suggested by Google to actually add your Bluehost account. So when it asks for your email address or enter your email address, this is where you would input your website's domain, or I should say your Bluehost domain. And right after that, it should take you to a new window where it would ask for a username. So for the username, just use your full email address for Bluehost. Then enter the password that corresponds with your Bluehost account. And then you would want to enter the POP server. Now, this will vary depending on if you choose SSL or the always secure connection option. But without it, your domain would always be preceded by mail. So it would be mail.something or x at bluehost.com or whatever. But if it were with SSL, then this would be your server host name that corresponds to the port 995. Now that one is very important. And just to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. Hold on. So here we are. So this is where your domain name would go, as well as the password and the POP server or your domain URL. And you want to make sure that this box here is ticked, as you always want a secure connection when you're retrieving your mail. Also, because it's an SSL, or I should say a POP server, the port would normally be set to 995, as it's the proper configuration for POP server types. Now, once you're done with that, and you've reviewed all of the information, choose any additional options that you may want, and it's recommended that you check the option that says leave a copy of retrieved message on the server, as you would want a copy for easy access. Now, once you guys have all of that set up, simply click on Add Account, this little button right here, and you're done. You've successfully created a business email for Bluehost and Gmail. So right before we end the video here, I just want to quickly remind you guys that you can still get 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So with all of that said, hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.